America is too broken to fight the coronavirus. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. When coronavirus cases started exploding on the East Coast in March, there were devastating failures by Democratic leaders. New York's Governor, Andrew Cuomo, not only forced nursing homes to take back residents who'd been hospitalized for the coronavirus, he barred them from testing their residents to see if they were still infected. As ProPublica reported, following Cuomo's order, COVID-19 tore through New York State's nursing facilities, killing more than 6,000 people, about 6% of its more than 100,000 nursing home residents. In Florida, which prohibited such transfers, the virus has so far killed only 1.6% of nursing home residents. Given how Cuomo's errors contributed to New York's catastrophe, it's hard to say how much credit he deserves for eventually rising to the occasion. Still, by the time New York's cases got to where Arizona's are now, he at least understood that the state faced calamity and imposed the lockdown that helped bring it back from the abyss. Arizona, Florida, and Texas, by contrast, aren't even doing simple things like mandating mask wearing. Worse, until last week, the governors of Arizona and Texas prevented cities from instituting their own such requirements. So far, evidence about the role mass protests over police violence played in coronavirus spikes is mixed, but liberal support for the demonstrations solidified the conviction among many conservatives that strict social distancing rules are a hypocritical tool of social control. The paranoia and resentment that have long been part of the culture of the modern right are now directed at those warning about the ongoing dangers of the pandemic. Across the country, public health workers have faced death threats, harassment, and armed protesters at their homes. No matter how bad things get in red America, it's hard to imagine where the political will to contain the virus will come from. So while countries with competent leadership, to view the full article, click the first link in the description below.